Hi Fizz, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm coming to you real quick this morning because you know I am just so proud of myself. I work so hard when I'm working out in the mornings, and when I see my results I'm like, damn girl, who is there? Y'all, let me just give you a little glimpse of how I look. Oh my gosh, can you believe that I went on vacation and had a little pouch and I got back and your girl been working out like crazy? You have a saying that says work and make your results make all the noise. When people talk about consistency, when people talk about I'm working out and I'm not seeing results, be patient with yourself, not just in working out, but be patient with yourself with whatever goals that you set for yourself, because when it's your time, it's your time. When the results will show itself, it will present itself. Don't be discouraged. Don't be disappointed. Work hard on whatever it is that you're working on and be patient with yourself. I declare 2023 from the beginning is going to be my year of change, and I'm accepting every single change that is coming my way and every single change that will come. So yeah, I just want to share that word with you real quick this morning. Everybody's out, the house is quiet, it's just me home. I have just 3 minutes to talk to you guys real quick because I'm jumping in the shower. I have 10 minutes to shower. Yes, 10 minutes, don't judge me. I have 10 minutes to shower and go jump on the bus and go catch my auto school because I need to go sit in on some practice exam just to keep practicing to get better at the road code. As you guys know, it's a different language and new words and a lot of new things for me to learn, so I have to do as much exam as possible so that when I'm ready to sit the road code exam I can do well at it. Even if I don't pass, I'll still be proud of myself. I'll just resit. But anyway, I'm gonna head out right now, so I have no more time to stick around with you guys. You guys will see the rest of the family later. I'm gonna head out right now, so have a good day. Be patient with yourself. I haven't give you guys a real motivation talk this morning. As I look at myself in the mirror, I just felt like I needed to come on and share this word with you guys. So be patient with yourself. Love you guys and enjoy the rest of today's vlog as I head out. So see you guys later.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hey, hello fam bam.
Wagwan! Wagwan!
Sarah, say hello.
What's going on?
Hi. Hello.
Hi!
Everybody is so
Sarah, it's time for the supermarket! Oh, come on!
everybody dead.
It's time for the supermarket run! 1 point for Sarah, 0 point for Tyler. High five.
0 point for Tyler because
Yes.
Tyler is not feeling well, so you guys gonna get a Tyler today, but he's gonna pull through real
First
quick.
thing, somebody said she's super hungry. So, I'm gonna show you what's gonna be dinner.
And they have no idea what I bought, so they'll be discovering.
That's pizza. We found this pizza last week. And it was so good. So, this time, we have to. I take it here because as the oven said, beep, beep, I'm ready. We're gonna put
I
it
don't
here.
think so because this pizza take like 10 minutes and the how won't finish in 10 minutes, so I need it hot and ready. Anyway, first thing on the list, I don't like when the house is out of Coca-Cola. Sarah, sit down. I don't like when the house is out of Coca-Cola. I always like to have Coca-Cola in my fridge, even though I don't drink it a lot, but I like to have it. I told you guys last week that I was gonna get 2 things. Comment down below, what 2 things did I tell you guys that I was going to buy?
That's one. That's a €3 bottle of wine. And trust me, it worth the price.
And I told you guys that I was also gonna buy Baileys, but guess what? I did not buy Baileys. When I walk to the Baileys and I think, I'm like, Lord, if I buy the Baileys, I'm gonna want to drink the Baileys a lot and I'm gonna want to drink the wine a lot. So guess what? Let's brace myself into it. Let's get one at a time. So I only take the wine, I'm gonna let the wine finish and then I'll get the Baileys.
Did you get something to go with the wine?
You'll see. Sarah!
So we have the wine. Trust me, this wine worth the price.
Yes. Tyler, see your bag here. Stay right
Let's
here.
see what we have here.
Sarah, what's that? Juice for?
Mama, Tyler, Papa, and Sam.
Uh-huh.
It was so cute.
Yes, you're gonna
Sarah, c'est des œufs de rapoulet.
Apport, Maman.
Des rapoulets.
C'est quoi rapoulet?
C'est Bluey, le papa de Bluey. The
Sarah,
father
c'est
wants
des œufs de
rapoulet. Is between a rat and chicken, so the kids are looking everywhere to find that. They will never find it. And the father is laying on the armchair waiting on them to find. That's how you get peace. Peace, P-E-A-C-E.
It's too funny. Come, let's go. Tyler, Mama have some surprise in your bag for you, so you better
Hannah,
keep
your
going.
favorite one. Mama get two only for you. Only
Sarah,
for you.
what is this? What is
Okay,
it?
so we're gonna make a lot of bechamel. and
Watermelon. C'est quoi en français? Yes! High five.
Good
Pastèque.
job.
Tyler, surprise is in your bag for you. Sarah Hot.
Ah, ça c'est quoi, Sarah?
Sarah Hot donut.
That's my heart. That's why I can't.
C'est quoi ça?
It's your heart.
See.
It's too funny.
C'est tomatoes for Mama and for Sarah.
This was the last lousy green time left in the supermarket. When I picked it up, one man beside me, I think he was looking for the same thing. He said, c'est pas joli, hein? J'ai dit non. Il a dit, mais c'est le dernier. It was the last one. So I'm like, I'm gonna take it because I need time.
Celery,
Tyler, let's go.
celery.
What was you shooting me? Happy biscuit. You want a donut?
Oh, I play rock,
Take
paper,
it
scissors
out.
2 times and I keep
No,
I keep
this
the same
one.
person out.
At school? At work?
Yeah.
You're too funny. What you play rock, paper, scissors at work for? No,
when you
this
play
one.
card, this is the order.
This one. Finish it. Hey, hello. No. You started eating this one. You have to finish it before you start the other one, okay?
Okay.
Very good.
To say the order. So the first one, I win.
He's only at work gambling at daytime, you know, that's all he at work doing.
I win the first time, and we play the second time, I win again, and the other say, normally when you play that first, you should play that second. So I anticipate this, and why did you...
So you go to work.
Onions and
Tyler, let's go to your mom. I want to see your happy face when you find your surprise.
We have patika! Oh no.
Mushroom.
We have ginger. That's almost like patty. Wow.
What is that in your hand?
Good job.
It's for me. Give it. This caramel popcorn. Papa never know that he would live to see the day of Mama buying caramel popcorn. Because I hate
Oh, you get it in a little packet?
Yes. Because that's all that was.
Yeah, but I mean little. I'll help you.
They don't have the big one.
Okay. Oh, do you get more than one?
I got this for the kids because they have no other popcorn and only one in here, and my movie night you guys always have two, so that's why I get this. From movie
Coconut
night.
water. Does it taste good?
Well, you don't like coconut water, so I buy it every week, so it must be a reason. Hi, let's go.
You got a
Alright,
big
come on,
jar
I'm
of
gonna give you a
Nutella.
surprise.
Big jar of Nutella.
I've never bought this much Nutella in this house in a long time. Almost every week I have to buy a new jar.
Some juice for the kids.
Apple.
So we got apple and apple juice. You should get only one. I mean,
Well,
you
in that
press
case,
the
I
apple
only
to
get
make
the
apple juice.
Well, when I do it like that, you don't want it.
You can't put the apple juice in your green juice?
It is.
Yeah,
There's
you put
3
it-
apples in
you just do
it, not this.
Why? You just put
No, we don't want that in our
Why you complicate your
Sorry.
life?
Tyler not feeling well, so I'm doing Tyler back for it. So we have Sarah. Sarah favorite raspberry. I have to put it far from her mouth. Yes, guys. I got this for you.
I
No, stay where you are.
you. Somebody get plates.
Tyler love Nutella. I got some new plates. Yes, sir. You soon get it. What's that? Banana. Tyler, what you been asking me for the stand up? What you been asking me for the past 2 weeks?
So many things.
No, you've been asking me for one specific thing.
To eat.
To eat. What you been asking me for?
Cookie?
And I told you that it's too expensive last week. I'll buy
Salmon?
it. The price dropped.
Salmon.
That means you don't deserve it. Tell I've been asking me for strawberries.
Why do I always fall on the veggies bag?
Because that's the bag you deserve. Bread.
You have corn. Corn is the national meat for Mexican. They put corn everywhere.
I bought some new snack for Tyler because it's original snacks that you normally.
That's not bad. I can have them.
Babe love this one and I love this one. If I ever open one pack to eat, I'm going to continue, so I'm not going to even look at it. And babe, please don't touch it. And I bought cheesecake for the husband. It's for movie night.
We have the
More snack for
sweet,
Tyler.
how you call that? Sweet milk? Condensed milk?
Yes.
Condensed milk for my
A porridge. I talked to Maria yesterday. I tell her how much I miss her porridge and she needs to come make cabbage and corned beef for you. What's that for Sarah?
It's for Tyler.
No, it's for you. It's crepe.
It's for me.
Yes. And I buy markers for Tyler board. And I bought, this was Tyler's surprise, but since he's not feeling well, he doesn't feel for anything. It's chocolate bread. Yes.
C'est
The
pour toi?
ovens. Yes. Papa, go put the pizza. These are, let me see because you're going to call me.
A second one. 2 for Sarah?
Yes.
Wow, it's because Papa super love you. That's why Papa took 2.
I trick Papa, I trick you. Watch ya, watch ya. I love. Watch ya. See, Tata, I get jealous. See, Tyler feel sad. Babe.
Me?
What happened, Tyler? I want a hug.
So how you want to hug her when you're that far? Get closer.
Sarah, give your brother a hug. Be careful before you fall off. Give Tyler a hug.
Ketchup and all is not funny,
Give
but
Tyler a hug.
it's a must.
Sarah,
Sarah?
give your brother a hug right now. Sarah, what you might ignore, Sarah? What you might ignore, Tyler? Sarah, give your brother a hug. Tight hug. Before you make him vex. He will proper vex, you know.
What funny do we have here? Orange juice. Orange juice.
How is that funny?
Yeah, it's more funny than all of the fandangers that I saw. It's the best thing that I found in the bag is the orange juice.
Yes, you funny.
Alright, what's here?
You guys.
Ooh,
I
Sarah.
showed you the pizza last week before it go in the oven. I'm gonna show it to you when it come out how pretty it is.
You have chocolate milk for Sarah.
Oh, Sarah. Sarah drink chocolate milk every day at school.
We have some juice, we have some lemon. Tyler is not feeling good, so it's gonna be on Tyler's stomach.
Lemon and honey.
And we have some chicken here. 2
And
pack
I
of
feel
chicken.
myself start squeezing now. I can't get sick. Oh.
You don't want no more. Don't say you don't want it.
I told you once.
Alright, what here? I'm trying to see if something's surprising she took. Oh, she changed the cheese.
Because the other cheese wasn't there. Put it down
Has to
beside
be.
you.
So you have cheese. I'm sure I'm gonna find another one. Let's see if I can see the picture. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. We have yogurt for the French girl, woman.
Yogurt for the French girl. Almost Sarah that.
Must be you. We have chicken
Yes,
liver.
Sarah.
We used to take chicken liver a lot.
Yes.
Then for like 2 years almost, we don't really take that. And I realized this last time we take chicken liver is like $3 or $2.99 for 1 pack. It's very good.
I only take one this week though.
Okay, it's okay.
Tyler helping you.
Tyler, salmon from Norway. Salmon from Norway.
Mama and Papa.
And we have some yogurt here for me. I like to get this pananga for breakfast. Oh, what is that, Sarah? The power of marketing, the Paw Patrol yogurt.
Paw Patrol yogurt for Sarah.
And we have some chocolate.
You guys remember when Tyler used to obsess with Paw Patrol? Tyler, I took 2 different types this week.
You did well.
And I took this for Papa, and I think he had some in there, so I didn't take much.
Okay, you did not well.
But you have some.
You did not well.
Yeah. So I was looking for the coconut because I know you love the coconut, but they don't have it.
And we have to finish. You have the fish, the super fish that doesn't look like fish but tastes good.
I cooked fish yesterday. Alright, rock, paper, scissors. Let's see if Mr. Siki gonna win.
We need a haircut.
Yes, he's gonna get a haircut this weekend. Or Mr. At work practicing gambling gonna win. Come on, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. See properly. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, look, I'm doing rock, paper with you. Who's got that? Sarah, yes, I'm doing it with you. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes!
This game is not.
I should every day on school at rock, paper, scissors.
This game is sucks. This game sucks.
Yumi.
Tyler, kick his butt.
Mama, Yumi.
Come, let me try so we can beat Mr. Siki. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Mama.
1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2, 2. Anybody win this win? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes!
Tyler win.
Me too.
Well, Tyler is
You
don't bother with it. You don't bother with the shuffle.
That's why we need to train up rock, paper, scissors. Mama.
Alright, Tyler's a champion this week. Don't you see what you want? Yes, Sarah? Yes, you can have some raspberries. Did you say please? Anyway, guys, Tyler is the champion tonight. I'm going to give the family dinner and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. That was fun. You guys, look at the pizza. Oh, dinner. At least it looked just like the picture.